The piles themselves are expected to arrive by the end of the month, and we'll be hoping to get underway by the end of the month with the pile driving operation.
Several hundred tons of equipment recently arrived in Baltimore, marking the next big step in the Key Bridge rebuild process.
I'm standing in front of our test load frame. We are going to be utilizing this to run our test pile program.
Over the last few weeks, barges delivered test pile equipment to Maryland, including parts of the testing frame, templates to hold the piles, a massive 500-ton floating crane, and pile driving hammers.
We'll have some barges which will assist with placing the piles. We'll have cranes which will be responsible for lifting very large hammers that will be driving those piles.
For months, MDTA Chief Engineer Jim Harkness says crews studied the riverbed where the new Key Bridge will be built. Soon they will verify that research by driving steel test piles over 200 feet long into the Patapsco River and putting immense pressure on them using the load test frame you see here.
Those piles essentially will be the support for the bridge, so we need to know that it can hold the forces of the bridge out in the river, putting up to 10 million pounds of pressure on each of the piles that we'll be installing out there.
Harkness says the test program won't just install temporary piles, it'll also install piles that will stay in place to support the bridge. And soon the community will spot something new on the water.
The piles themselves are expected to arrive by the end of the month, and we'll be hoping to get underway by the end of the month with the pile driving operation.
MDTA crews are monitoring noise and vibration devices in neighborhoods and surrounding locations near the bridge site. Construction is expected to take place Monday through Saturday between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. For the MDTA, I'm Allison Persing.